Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this episode we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Ultimia Tapio i Pro soundbar. Coming at just under $90, this compact soundbar is a great budget solution for your home entertainment, gaming setup or desktop space. We have a wide range of audio features, connectivity options and a very good overall sound quality. We'll get to the more in-depth features coverage in just a minute, but first let's actually unbox the Tapio i Pro. The soundbar took about a week to arrive and it comes in this compact box. Inside we find the soundbar itself, we check it in just a second, and this white box contains all the accessories. First we get the power brick. It outputs 19 volts at 1.5 amps, which equals to around 28 watts of power. Next we have the remote control with all the basic functions that you'll need, like dedicated buttons for selecting audio source, volume controls, track selection and various sound equalizer modes. Overall a straightforward and easy to use remote. Next we have an aux audio cable, an optical cable and screws for wall mounting. Last but not least, there's a very detailed and useful user manual / quick setup guide. Now guys, let's focus on the actual soundbar and take a look at its design and features. First off, the Tapio i Pro measures 55 cm in length and weighs 1.8 kg, so it will fit not only your home entertainment setup, but also your desk space or gaming setup as well. In terms of power, the Tapio i Pro is equipped with 4 full-range speakers which can provide up to 60 watts of power. You also have 2 bass reflex tubes for richer, deeper and more powerful bass. There are a wide range of connectivity options including the latest Bluetooth 5.0, HDMI ARC, optical, aux and USB connection. Now when it comes to the design, the front of the soundbar is dominated by a black metal mesh, and you can even see the speakers and the bass tubes, which is kinda cool. At the bottom we have 2 pretty wide rubber feet for extra grip. On the right side we have 4 physical control buttons. Each button has 2 functions, one activated at short press and the other function at long press. On the back we have brackets for wall mounting, a quick connection guide and all the ports. From left to right we got an HDMI ARC port, optical port, USB 2.0 port, aux in and power in port. And guys, I've hooked up the Tapio i Pro to my TV via the HDMI ARC, but first let's check out how's the sound quality when using the soundbar through the Bluetooth 5.0. The following footage and audio hasn't been altered in any way. I hope you were able to hear, but the sound is just so much better than the built-in TV speakers. We're getting a much wider frequency range, the bass is on the strong side, but we're still getting a very balanced overall sound. We're only at 50% volume, which I think is enough for daily use. In games, we're also getting a very good audio performance. You can hear the explosions and gunshots much louder, which is a good thing and improves the immersion. So guys, to summarize, the Tapio iPro offers full and rich sound with plenty of bass, which I personally like. There are tons of connectivity options, the build quality is solid, and I think I'll be using it as a main speaker for my future gameplay test videos. The best part is the price, which is $89, and if you use my discount code you get additional 20% off and the price drops to $72. All the store links can be found in the video description. Thank you all for watching and see you guys next time.